All right, so I am videoing. Everything. I'm going to put it on YouTube, so you guys stay cameras off, microphones off, and it is Monday, March 30th. Monday, March 30th. I'm Mrs. Klein. I am teaching first grade math. We have on the line Josiah, Genesis, Night, Noah. Benji, where did you go? Let's see if I can call Benji. Okay, so we're going to do lesson 13-1. Lesson 13-1. And we're going to chat in Teams. March 30th, Monday, first grade math, lesson 13-1. Oh, I know you're gonna be excited. We're doing tell the value of coins, page 521. Page 521, lesson 13-1. Tell the value of coins. Value of coins. Hi, everyone. Meet now. Okay. Hi, guys. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen so you can see me. This is first grade math, lesson 13-1. It is March 30th, Monday, page 521. I'm going to write some stuff in the chat so that you can see it. Page 521, lesson 13-1. So, page 521, solve and share. Jennifer has 8 coins. When you come to class, make sure all you guys have your math textbook and a pencil in front of you. We're going to go through one lesson every day. This is lesson 13-1. So, we're going to go a little fast because it took so long to get started this morning. What did it say? Resume. Okay. So, tell the value of coins. I can identify coins and tell their value. Jennifer has 8 coins. She wants to share them with her friend. She says, we each get 4 coins like this. Do you think this is a fair way to share the coins? Well, does everybody have this? What do we see on this page? What do we see on this page? I see 4 nickels and 4 dimes. So if they share the coins, 4 nickels to one person and 4 dimes to another person, is that a fair way to share the coins? Why or why not? Well, how much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents, right? 5 cents. And a dime is worth 10 cents. If you have 4 nickels, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Four nickels. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And if you have 4 dimes, dimes is 10 cents. So you have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Is that a fair way to split up the money? Well, I would want the 4 dimes. You know why? Because 5, 10, 15, 20. Count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. This is 20 cents, right? 4 dimes is how much? Count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is 40 cents. Is that a fair way to split up the money? One person gets 20 cents, one person gets 40 cents? No. I would want the 4 dimes, not the 4 nickels. So this is not a fair way to split up money because the nickel is worth less than the dime. The dime is worth more than the nickel. So on page 521, I would put, this is not a fair way to share the coins because one person will have more money than the other person. One person's going to have 20 cents, the other person's going to have 40 cents. So, it is not a fair way. Turn the page. Okay. Hello? All right, so I have Genesis and Noah. So Nigenia with Genesis. Josiah, where did you go? I have Noah and Genesis and Nigene. I don't know where Josiah and Benji went. So let's call them. Josiah, Benji. Josiah, where'd you go? You got to stay on the line. I'm doing lesson 13.1. You can't leave during the lesson. I have to take attendance. Okay. Benji, you're back. Josiah, you're back. Okay, guys, don't leave the lesson, okay? We just did page 521. Now we're on page 522. You got to mute your microphone. Benji, mute your microphone. Have it. Okay, let's go on. Page 522. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Meeting in general. share my screen. Okay. Now why am I in? Show conversation. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the conversation. And I'm trying to share my screen.
Miss Klein.
What? Yes.
Are we on topic 13 right now?
Yes, 13-1. We just did page 521. We're talking about coins, money, penny, nickel, dime, quarter, bills. So everyone knows a penny is a 1 cent. A nickel is 5 cents. A dime is 10 cents. A quarter is 25 cents. So we are on page 522. Okay. You can ask me questions at the end, but I need everyone to mute their microphones now, okay? Thank you.
I got
Bye. Alright, why can't I share my screen? Okay. Page 522 is why do I have 2 meetings now? 1 second. I don't want 2 meetings now. Alright, let's go back to Teams, first grade math. Page 522. Why does it say 2 meetings? Okay, show conversation. Alright, so on page 522, at the top of page 522 it says a penny is a coin. A penny has a value of 1 cent. There are 100 pennies in $1. So this is what you need to remember. I'm sure you guys know this, but a penny equals 1 cent. A penny equals 1 cent. 100 cents equals $1. 100 cents equals $1. This is the sign for cents. This is the sign for dollar. You all know this, right? Okay, so this is going to be easy peasy. So on the top of page 522, it says, can I share my screen now? Oh, there we go. I have 2 meetings for some reason. Are you there? Gonna hang this one up. All right. Can you see me now? I'm on hold. All right,
Okay.
I'm back. Oh, there I am. Okay, not touching any more buttons. Page 522. A penny, 1 cent. The other coins is a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. Look at the top of page 522. Is a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter. I hope everybody has their book in front of them. When you come to class, make sure you have your textbook and a pencil. So you have a nickel, a dime, the nickel is 5 cents. 20 nickels equals $1. The dime is 10 dimes equals $1. A dime is 10 cents. A quarter is 25 cents. 4 quarters equals $1. So that is the top of page 522. You need to memorize all that. A nickel is 5 cents, a dime is 10 cents, a quarter is 25 cents. Number 1, name of the coin is, that is a dime. The value is 10 cents. How many dimes are in a dollar? Well, if a dime is 10 cents, let's figure that out. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 dimes equals $1. 100 pennies equals $1. Now if you have quarters, 25, 50, 75, $1. 4 quarters equals $1. Number 2, name of the coin is a penny. The value is 1 cent. How many in a dollar? There are 100 pennies equals $1. I hope you all have your textbook in front of you. So, in my chat, I hope you all understand penny is 1 cent. There are 100 pennies in $1. There, a dime is 10 cents. A dime is 10 cents, and there are 10 dimes in a dollar. A nickel is 5 cents. There are 20 nickels in a dollar. Hi, Aiden. Okay, Aiden, we're on page 522 in math, lesson 13.1. So that was 1 and 2. Convince me on page 522. Look at the penny and the nickel. Write 2 ways they are alike, then write 2 ways they are different. Sample answer. The 2 ways they are alike, both are round and both have a head on one side. The 2 ways that they are different, the penny is a copper color, while the nickel is a silver color. The penny is smaller in size than the nickel. Good job. Turn the page. Page 523. Who is that? Hi, Aiden. hold, Noah is calling. Hi, Noah. You can't see me? Now can you see me? Okay, good. Are you on page 523? Okay, good. And who is calling me now? Anna, I'm in math class. I can't talk to you right now. Okay, so page 523 says, number 3, circle every quarter. So the first one, is that a quarter? No, it's a nickel. Okay, just turn off your microphone, Noah. Okay, so page 523. Page 523. Circle every quarter. So the first one's a nickel. Don't circle that one. The second one, is that a quarter? Yes, that's a quarter. Circle that one. The third one is a penny. Don't circle that. The next one is a quarter. Yes, circle that. The next one is a penny. Do not circle that. The next one is a nickel. We're not circling that. We're circling quarters. The next one is a quarter. Yes, circle that. Next one is a penny. No. And the next one is a dime. No. So a quarter is worth how much? 25 cents. Very good. There are how many quarters in a dollar? 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 4 quarters in a dollar. 4 quarters in a dollar. Okay. Number 4, page 523. Circle every coin with a value of 5 cents. What has the value of 5 cents? 5 cents equals a nickel. So the first one is not a nickel. The second one, that's a nickel, circle it. That's the front of the nickel. The next one is the back of the nickel, yes, circle it. The next one is a penny, don't circle. Quarter, dime. Up there's the nickel again. See, the back of the nickel has a building and the front of the nickel has the face. So the next two are nickels. Nickel, nickel, and then the last one is a penny. So circle all the nickels. A nickel is worth 5 cents. How many in a dollar? There are 20 nickels in a dollar. Okay, number 5. Mark has 6 dimes. How many more dimes does he need in order to have $1? Let's figure that out. Mark has 6 dimes. So 6 dimes equals how much? Let's count by tens. A dime is 10 cents. If a dime is 10 cents, he has 6 dimes. He has 6 dimes, so he has 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. he has 60 cents. He has 60 cents. So, he has 6 dimes and 60 cents. How many more dimes does he need in order to have $1? He has 60 cents. How many more dimes does he need to make $1? So let's start at 60 and let's keep counting up to $1. He needs 70, 80, 90, 100. He needs 4 more dimes. Why can't you hear me? See me over here. He's got 4 more. He needs 4 more dimes. Okay, he has 6 dimes and he needs 4 more dimes to make $1. Why? Because you're counting by tens. A dime is worth 10 cents. We're counting by tens. He has 60 cents and we have to add up to $1, which is 100 cents. 70, 80, 90, 100. So he needs 4 more dimes. A dime is 10 cents. So therefore he needs 4 more dimes. So number 5 is 4 more dimes. He needs 4 more dimes. Okay. Number 6, Beth has a stack of nickels worth $1. She also has a stack of quarters worth $1. How many coins does she have in all? So she has a stack of nickels worth $1. How many nickels equals $1? We said a nickel equals 5 cents. We said there are 100 cents in $1, therefore you need 20 nickels to equal 1 equals 100 cents equals $1. So you have 20 nickels that equals $1. Then you have a stack of quarters that equals $1. So a quarter is 25 cents. We said we needed 4 quarters to equal $1. So if she has 20 nickels and 4 quarters, because that both equals $1. 20 nickels equals $1, 4 quarters equals $1. So if she has 20 nickels and 4 quarters, she has 24 coins. 24. 20 plus 4 is 24. She has 24 coins. Number 6 is 24 coins. Okay. Page 524. Page 524, number 7. Page 524, number 7 is draw lines to show which coins go in which bank. So you see the coins. There is a quarter. There is a penny. There is a dime. And there is a nickel. On page 524, draw a line to the piggy bank that matches the value of the coin. Draw a picture to the penny bank that matches the value of the coin. So the quarter equals how much? Right, the quarter equals 25 cents. Draw a picture to the piggy bank with the 25 cents on it. A penny equals 1 cent. Draw a line to the piggy bank with the 1 cent on it. The next one is a dime. How much is a dime worth? Right, 10 cents. Draw a line to the piggy bank with the 10 cents. The next one is a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Very good. So, that's number 7. Number 8, Jake has $1 worth of dimes. Henry has $1 worth of nickels. Who has more coins? How many more? So let's figure that out. Number 8, Jake has $1 worth of dimes. Jake has $1 worth of dimes. How many dimes equals $1? How many dimes equals $1? Well, dime is worth 10 cents. So let's count up to 100 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many dimes do we need to make $1? 10. We need 10 dimes to make $1. So Jake has 10 coins. Jake has 10 coins. This is number 8. Henry has $1 worth of nickels. Henry has, how many nickels does Henry have to equal $1? So if a dime is 10 cents and a nickel is 5 cents, how many nickels do we need to equal $1? How many nickels? You got to count by fives up to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we need 20, 10 plus 10. We need 20 nickels to equal $1, equals $1. So, therefore, Jake has 10 coins, Henry has 20 coins. So your answer is, who has more coins? Who has more coins, Jake or Henry? Henry has 20 coins. So your answer is Henry. Henry has 20 coins. Jake only has 10 coins. Even though Jake's money has more value, a dime is 10 cents, a nickel's only 5 cents. So Henry has more coins. Henry has 20 coins. Jake only has 10 coins. So 20 nickels minus the 10 dimes equals a difference of how many coins? 20 minus 10 equals 10. So Henry has 10 more coins than Jake. Jake has 10 dimes. Henry has 20 nickels. They both equal $1, but because the dime is 10 cents, you only need 10 dimes. And because the nickel is only 5 cents, you need twice as many nickels to equal the $1. So Henry has more by 10. He has 10 more coins. Okay, awesome. That was number 8. You can ask me questions at the end. We are on page 524, number 9. Solve the riddle. I am a coin that is worth more than a nickel and less than a quarter. So more than a nickel, and a nickel is 5 cents, so it has to be more than 5 cents, but less than a quarter. And we know that a quarter is 25 cents. So, what coin am I? What coin am I if I am greater than a nickel, which is 5 cents, or less than a quarter? Who has the answer? I bet you all have the answer. You are correct. The answer is a dime. Ding, 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 ding. The answer is a dime. 10 cents is more than a nickel and less than a quarter. A dime, 10 cents. You got that right, Noah? So I'm going to put on the chat number 8. Number 8 was Henry 10 more. Did I put that in? Number 8, Henry 10 more coins. And number 9 is a dime. Number 9 is a dime. Number 10. Who's talking? Guys, you gotta mute your, microphone. Okay, you're still on page 524, number 10. Kate wants to buy a bottle of juice. It costs $1. Kate has 3 quarters. How many quarters does she need? She only has 3 quarters. So a quarter is 25 cents. So if the juice costs $1 and she only has 3 quarters, how much money does she have? She has 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 75 cents. We know that 4 quarters equals $1, right? 4 quarters equals $1. She only has 3 quarters. She only has 75 cents. She needs how many more quarters to equal the $1? She only has 3. She needs 4. So she needs 1 more quarter. She needs 1 more quarter. So the number 10 is, number 10 is, why can't I chat?
Number 10 is Kate wants to buy a bottle of juice. It costs $1. Kate has 2 quarters. How many more quarters does she have?
Right, so how many more quarters? She has how much money and she needs how much more? Right. She needs 1 more quarter. So number 10. Number 10, she needs 1 more quarter because she only has 3 and she needs 4. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Good job. Number 11. Which coins have the same value as $1? Which coins have the same value? Which ones equal $1? 50 dimes, oh my goodness. No, way too much, right? 20 nickels. Did we say that 20 nickels equals $1? Yes, we did. Good job. We did. So 20 nickels and 100 pennies. Did we say 100 pennies equals $1?
Yes.
Yes, we did. And did we say 10 quarters equals $1?
No.
No. 10 quarters is like for $2.50. So 20 nickels and 100 pennies. 20 nickels and 100 pennies. That's for number 11. Good job. So, your homework is additional practice. Lesson 13:1. It's going to be on the assignments in your teams. In your team under assignments, your homework tonight is going to be lesson 13:1, additional practice, and it is page 177 and 178. Okay. See you later for science. Bye, guys.
Adios.
Adios. Okay.